Wagwan. I'm just coming up here because I'm getting ready to go out, and I just put my lashes on, and just getting ready. And everybody knows I have a big, super big forehead. I want to get hair transplant up into maybe like right here. I don't know why my hairline is so far back, but anyway, this is what we're doing today. I'm doing a quick, hairstyle that I've been rocking. It's just, as you can see, a bun, combing it out. And then it comes with like 3 little clip-ins, right? You have 1, excuse my nails, 1, 2, and 3. Just want to clip it in. And I got it from Amazon for like $10. So if you're looking for a like quick, cute hairstyle, this is the way to go. And it's affordable. It's only $10. There we go. Let's do like that. Just comb it down. Like that, and then you get ready to put your bun on. The only thing I like about this bun though is that, like, look at the middle of it. Like, it's super tight. It doesn't open up anymore. It's super tight, so it's hard to like get your hair in. And then there's like combs. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's 2 combs where my hand is. Here we go. 1 comb right here and 1 right here. It's super tight. Just if it opened up more, it'd be better. But I would give this like a fail. Seriously, because it's just too tight to get your hair in. You're gonna watch me try to struggle to put it in, like I always do. So it's always like a struggle. And it's like I have to like kind of shove my hair inside, basically. And then here you have the drawstring. Comes with the drawstring. And so I just pull it. My hair was already slicked up with gel. I used Eco Styler, the gold one. So I just tie it super tight and then just wrap the drawstring part around it. The only thing I don't like about this too, that look at the bun, like it sits up in the air. You see that? Like right here my head is, and the bun is way up here. Usually a bun is like down, right? Like that. So, in order to get that right, I have my handy dandy little bobby pins. Wait, I have these bobby pins. So, I'm gonna stick them. I stick them on either side. So that should be down, and then I do the other side. And just stick it in. And that should be that. I have my little brush up the back. And that's it. I'm good to go. What I'll do is I'll put some lipstick on. I'll put on my earrings right here. And this is a cute, quick, affordable hairstyle. $10, y'all. Go on Amazon and Google bun and bang, and you will get these 2 pieces. And it's like, for me, instead of wearing a wig, like I stopped wearing my wig and put on this. So this is kind of like, okay, if you're tired of wearing wigs, you can go do this and still have your hair like all underneath. So yeah, this is it. Tell me what you think. Drop a comment. Do you like it? Would you buy it? Are you gonna buy it? I'm gonna try to get the link and put it in the description down below for this this style, if they still have it right now, but they should. So yeah, I think it's really cute. But make sure you share this with everybody you know, and your boo, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever, straight, gay, whatever. share it with everybody. Make sure you comment if you like it and if you'd wear it. And make sure you subscribe. It don't cost nothing. It's just a push of a button. Take your finger, your index finger, go hit that subscribe button right now. I'm gonna wait a few seconds. All right, you did it? All right, thank you so much. I love you for that. But anyway, yeah. So hit your girl up. Thank you so much for watching. And love you. And I'll see you another time. One love. Blessings. I'm out.